If you've moved into a house or you've somehow got to work with a central heating unit like this, a really old one, hopefully yours is a bit cleaner. Now this I think is a Horstmann Channel Plus, something like that. But even so, if you've got a similar one and you just want to get the heating going, right, you got to figure out which one of these corresponds. I've written a W and an H on here just to help me because it doesn't say, but the W is water, the H is heating. So if I just want to get it warm and we're in a cold spell at the moment, the fastest thing I can do is just boost. And that does 1 hour, or just to round it up to the next 10 minutes, so 1 hour and 7 minutes in this case, of heating instantly. You do it again, and it goes off. But if I do, yeah, for some reason, the first time, but if we press it once, it does an hour. Press it again, you see it adds the extra hour, so it does 2 hours. You can boost for 2 hours, but if you press advance, what that then does is it turns on until the end of your next scheduled time. So my next scheduled time turned off at 5:30 a.m. tomorrow morning, so that would mean it would be on all that time. I don't want to do that, but that is how you do it if you just need to get the heating on quickly. And the other option, if I toggle through the boost, you press select, all day off, or just on permanently by pressing the select button down the bottom. And then toggle that off again and back to your normal cycles. Now I've got a full video on setting the times and everything on this old style machine or unit, so you can check that out for more. And I've got other videos here for you to have a look at. Hope you find this useful to stay warm. And remember, it's the same for the water over here. And I got a full video on using all the dials and setting it up. Thanks, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.